Chapter 4 is about the power of specialized knowledge. In this chapter, we're diving into how specialized knowledge is a key driver for personal growth and wealth accumulation. It's not just about having knowledge, but how you harness and apply it. In this chapter, the author Napoleon Hill highlights that specialized knowledge is what sets apart those who excel from those who merely get by. He emphasizes that while general knowledge is valuable, it's the depth of expertise in a specific area that often leads to breakthroughs and significant achievements. By providing practical examples and illustrating how individuals who possess specialized knowledge outperform their peers, Hill encourages readers to identify the niche in which they can develop expertise. Furthermore, Hill's emphasis on specialized knowledge goes beyond just the acquisition of information. He stresses that this knowledge becomes truly powerful when it is organized into a well-defined plan of action. This plan should be directed towards a specific goal, allowing individuals to capitalize on their expertise effectively. Hill's insight into the relationship between specialized knowledge, strategic planning, and directed action provides readers with a blueprint for turning their expertise into tangible results and financial success. Let's explore this concept through 5 practical examples. 1. Imagine you're in a job that you enjoy but want to advance. Acquiring specialized knowledge relevant to your field, such as through certifications or workshops, can set you apart. The moment you transform that knowledge into action plans and use it strategically, your career trajectory can change. 2. You're considering starting a business, say, an online store. Rather than diving in with general business knowledge, focusing on specialized knowledge about your niche is crucial. Researching your product, understanding the market, and gaining insights into your target audience's preferences will give you a competitive edge. 3. For those interested in investing, relying solely on general financial advice might not yield the best results. Instead, diving deep into specific sectors like real estate, stocks, or cryptocurrencies can lead to more informed and profitable decisions. 4. If your goal is a healthier lifestyle, don't merely rely on general health tips. Acquiring specialized knowledge about nutrition, exercise physiology, and wellness practices tailored to your needs will lead to more effective and sustainable results. 5. Let's say you're an aspiring writer. While basic writing skills are essential, specialized knowledge in a particular genre or style can set you apart. Learning the nuances of your chosen niche and honing your craft with deliberate practice will give you a creative advantage. Remember, knowledge becomes truly powerful when it's organized and directed towards a specific goal. While general knowledge has its place, it's the specialized knowledge that drives significant advancements and wealth creation. As you embark on your journey of personal and financial growth, identify the areas where specialized knowledge can transform your aspirations into reality. For faster results, check the playlist to listen to the next chapters. We wish you a powerful day. Subscribe for more.